class. Welcome to math time. We are going to do what we have done in the previous video where we're going to practice some math facts. At first, remember you're going to try to say the answer before I say the answer. Before long, we'll all have these learned so well. We're going to do nines tonight. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 0 is 0. And 9 times 8 is 72. All right, good job. If you were not able to answer before I said what the answer is, please keep practicing. You need to be faster than I am when I do the videos for you. All right, for a math problem tonight, we're going to talk about division where we end up with a 0 in our answer. That has been a little bit confusing, and if we just practice it some more, you're going to have it down just like you do everything else. All right, so we begin with our question, which is 720 divided by 7. We know that there in this 7, there is one group of 7 in 7. So we will put a 1 here and multiply 1 times 7 and get 7. It is in the hundredths place, so we put in our zeros. We'll subtract that and end up with 20. All right, now we're now move over to the tens place, and we need to ask ourselves how many groups of 7 are in 2. Not in 20, but how many groups of 7 are in 2? And there are no groups of 7 in 2. So this is where we need to put a 0. So we put our 0, and we know that 0 times 7 is 0. So we'll put our zeros here and subtract. That gives us 20 again. But now we have moved over to our ones place. We are in our ones column, and we now can ask ourselves how many 7s are in 20 ones. 20 in the 1 place value. So let's see. 3 times 7 is 21, and that will be too much. So let's go with one number less, which would be 2 times 7. And when we subtract that, we need to do a little regrouping. This 2, 4 can't come from 0, so we need to regroup with the 2 and put one of the 10s here and one of the 10s there. And that gives us 6 and then 0. So our answer is 102 with a remainder of 6. And that is how we do division when we come to a place value where the divisor, right here, the divisor will not divide into the dividend part that we are on right here. Since 7 will not go evenly into 2, we know that it has to be a 0. All right. You could create your own problem, or you could rework this problem again. Please bring your work to class along with any questions, and I will see you in the morning. I hope you have a great evening. Bye-bye.